So our problem is toggle ith bit in a number. Okay, let's say we have given a number. Let's say we have given 14. 14 can be written as 8, 4, 12, 2, 0. Okay, so this will be 8, 4, 2. Now I want to toggle, let's say, second bit. I want to toggle second bit. Okay, so this is my second bit. After toggling, it will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, this is my problem statement. I want to toggle ith bit. So if it is 0, let's say another number, let's say 8. It is 1, 0, 0. I want to toggle second bit in this problem also. Second bit. So my second bit is this. If I toggle this, my result will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, that should be my answer. So I want to toggle ith bit. Now, toggling basically means what? It means inversion of bit, right? So 1 will invert to 0 and 0 will invert to 1. Okay, toggling means what? Inversion of bit, but not all the bits. Okay, so we have studied about bit operators, right? Bitwise operators. So we studied AND, OR, okay, NOT, then XOR, okay, then left shift and right shift. We have studied about them. So these are all bitwise operator we have studied. Now, out of these, I want to invert the bit. I want to invert the bit. Okay. So for inversion, two operators comes in my mind. One is NOT and one is XOR. Okay. Two operators comes in my mind for inversion. So let's take NOT operator. Okay. Let's take NOT operator. So what NOT does? So let's say I take 5. Okay. And I want to invert 5. So first of all, NOT takes one operand only. Okay, and it inverts all the bits. So 5 can be written as this one. Okay, and if I do NOT of it, it will be 1, 0, 1, 0. So it inverted all the bits, right? NOT takes one operand and it inverts all the bits. Now let's take XOR. So what is the property of XOR? So it takes two operands, right? And I have told you, if both operands are same, result will be 0. If both are different, your result will be 1. Okay, so if I take 1 XOR with 1, the result will be 0. If I take 1 XOR with 0, the result will be 1. If I take 0 XOR with 0, result will be 0. If I take 0 XOR with 1, result will be 1. Okay, so if you carefully see this, see, if I take XOR with some number, it will invert the answer. Correct? If I take, let's say, 1 XOR anything, so whatever the number will be, it will invert this. It will invert this. Okay, if I take 0 here, it will be 1. If I take 1 here, it will be 0. Okay, so if I take XOR with 1, it will invert the bit. If I take XOR with 1, it will invert the bit. So how you can use this property to toggle ith bit? So let's say our number is, let's say, 5. Okay, 5 can be written as 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8. I'll write like this. Okay, now I want to invert second bit. So what I can do? I can take 1 XOR with this. Okay, and rest will be 0. Now if I do XOR with this, it will be 1. This is 0 XOR 1. Both are different. It will be 1. It will be 1. Okay, it will be 0. So here the second bit is toggled. Okay, let's take some more example. Let's say if I take 7. So 7 can be written as 0, 1, 1. Okay, now I want to invert this second bit. Okay, invert or toggle, both are same thing. So I want to toggle this second bit. Okay, so if I take XOR with 1 at this position and rest will be 0. So it will give me 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so second bit is toggled. And this is my mask, right? So how to create this mask? We have already created this, right? We have already created this. So how can I create? See, I want to toggle second bit. Okay, so what I can do, I can take 1, left shift by second minus 1, I minus 1 basically. If I want to toggle ith bit, I can take my mask as 1, left shift I minus 1 times. Okay, that we have already discussed. So that's how we can toggle the ith bit using XOR. Okay, there can be multiple ways to solve a problem. I'm telling you the XOR one. Okay, so this is our first problem, and I hope you can code it right. So first calculate the mask. Okay, mask will be 1, left shift I minus 1 times. This will be your mask, and do XOR of, let's say, number, XOR mask. It will give you the answer. Okay, it will give you the answer after toggling the ith bit. So answer will be nothing but your number after toggling the ith bit. Okay, and if you don't want to change your number, first assign your number in any other variable. Okay, in some of the problems you need to do manipulations in number. Okay, so first insert it, first take it in the another variable, and then do manipulation in that variable. Okay, don't change number. So if I change number, just take one more variable and do all the operations in that variable. Okay, don't change this number. Now this is all about the toggling problem. Okay, and how much time it will take? It will take order of 1 time, right? So most of the bit manipulation operations are order of 1 if you are doing 1 pass. So time complexity will be order of 1, space complexity will be order of 1. Okay, we are just doing 1 XOR, that's it. Okay, so this is all about this problem. Let's move forward to next problem.